Bonjour, soyez les bienvenus sur Olive Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Foundation to Reading Comprehension 1. Chapitre 2, les syllabes. This is the end of chapter 2. So in the next video, we will continue with chapter 3. So this is a course that will help you to read and understand French language. Let's move on to today's lesson. Passons à la leçon D plus voyelle. In this video, we are going to use D to form syllables and words, and also use some of those words to form sentences. D. Le son de D est D. D. Répétez après moi. D. A. Da. D. E. De. D. I. Di. D. O. Do. D. U. Du. D. E. D. D. E. D. D. E. D. Da. De. Di. Do. Du. De. 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 Now over here you could hear that with E the D sound J, and also with U. So we have J, Ju. Vous avez bien suivi? Passons au test du jour. Lisons. Let us read. Prononcez la syllabe quand elle apparaît. Pronounce the syllable when it appears. Prêt? Voila. Continue. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe, you click on the bell and you like, so that when you release the next video, you receive it. Continue. Apprenons à lire. Let us learn to read. Lisez après moi. 2. Dire. 1. D. Solide. La mode. La modèle. La salade. Le défilé. Le renard. Un bavard. Okay, so in the previous videos, we have learned that E does not sound at the end of a word. And we have learned that there are exceptions, where we have seen le and some other ones. This another exception, that is de. Don't forget, we have learned that most of them are two-letter words. We have seen me, we have seen ne. So this is one of them. And also we have learned that when a consonant ends a word, it doesn't sound. So that's why we have de at the end, but we say le renard. Le renard and un bavard. Don't forget, we have also seen some exceptions like il. Continue. La tirelire de Noé. Eva est timide. C'est la tornade. La mode de l'été. C'est le vélo de Rémi. Tu dors. Le soldat dort. Il dort. Elle dort. Eva lave la salade. As-tu vu le défilé? As-tu de la limonade? David dort dans le lit. Notez ces mots. Take note of these words. Dire, to say. Tu dis, you say. Il dit, he says. Dans, in, dans. So in this word we have the sound an. It is a sound we'll be looking at in the next course. Merci, nous sommes à la fin de cette leçon. Rendez-vous à la prochaine fois. Au revoir.